MCED testing is really important because there's a huge unmet need in the United States and the world to reduce cancer mortality. So despite the fact that in the United States we screen for 5 cancers, breast, colon, prostate, lung, and cervical, and despite the fact that screening for those cancers reduces mortality due to those cancers, we still lose 600,000 patients a year to cancer in the United States. These results are a deep dive look at what it took to get to diagnostic resolution for the participants in PATHFINDER and are simply more detailed than what was presented at the ESMO meeting in 2022. There were 4 key takeaways in this analysis. The first is that cancer signal origin-directed diagnostic evaluations resulted in diagnostic resolution in 78% of the patients. The second key takeaway was that while whole body imaging was useful for indeterminate CSO calls, it was not contributory with respect to diagnostic resolution in 51% of patients. The third important takeaway is that the number of imaging tests and diagnostic procedures was roughly the same between individuals who were true positives and individuals who were false positives, 2.6 versus 2.8. And the fourth important takeaway was that there were a few patients who had an equivocal or slightly abnormal but not diagnostic initial workup who required additional workup, but eventually diagnostic resolution was achieved in all of them as well. These are important because they illustrate the power of this wonderful MCED technology, which tells us 2 important things. One is a cancer signal absent or present, and in patients in whom a cancer signal is present, the cancer site of origin prediction is highly accurate, about 90% correct, and the results of this study show that the CSO call is important in efficiency and accuracy of diagnosis.